Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is textbooks areas. So here basically one of the satellite person basically asked the question. So which groups are those groups basically who actually not helped Sunil R Nair? So see basically the groups. First see this group basically. Then see this group. Then see this group. Then see this group. 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 So these all are the groups basically who actually not helped Sunil R Nair basically. So one of the person told that even basically the God helps the people basically. But here basically the God also not helped Sunil R Nair basically. So in this basically one of the song basically that is basically जिसका कोई नहीं उसका खुदा है यारो, that also failed here basically. So Khuda also basically not helped Sunil R Nair basically. That was the Haji Ali Dargah basically. If that is there in Mumbai, that means Mumbai is safe. That is told by one of the movie basically. So that Allah also basically not helped Sunil R Nair basically. In this Ayyappa temple also basically the Kerala Samaj group also of the Mumbai city basically not helped Sunil R Nair. There are around 35 lakh basically Kerala Malayalis basically. They basically not helped Sunil R Nair. In this Vadodara city basically there are around 8 lakh Malayalis basically who not helped Sunil or Nair basically. So one of the person told the world is basically going which side basically. So one of the satellite group basically told that Sunil, can we shift the world to the that side basically? Nobody will help Earth planet only. Because after seeing this everything basically we are very tense basically. Because you have a good knowledge, even basically that not a single Indian person basically have this type of knowledge. Then also basically these groups are not giving job. That means there is some problem in India land. So can we shift to the Earth planet to that direction basically where nobody will help Earth planet? So Sunil Arnott told that basically I am staying also in Earth planet basically. That basically is the problem basically. So then also basically they told that basically we will shift the Earth planet to that direction basically where basically nobody will help the Earth planet basically. So here one of the person told that here the whole world basically came into the picture. Even basically the Parsi group also basically not helped Sunil Arnott, who are basically in just count basically that are around 7.5 lakh people basically in India staying. They also not helped Sunil R Nair basically. When basically Sunil R Nair visited Mumbai. And here the main thing is the people who are the Brahma Kumari Samaj basically, who are basically in Abu Dhabi. Sorry, not Abu Dhabi. In Gujarat basically. One place is in Gujarat. They also not helped Sunil R Nair. So one of the person told the world is going which side basically. World basically is going on which side basically. Then one of the person basically from space groups told that basically Syria basically, do you know basically Syria? In Syria basically this type of scene was created by one of the Bollywood group basically. So the Syria was finished by Bollywood group basically. So who was controlling Syria basically, that we don't know basically. But Syria was finished by Bollywood group basically. So one of the person told that world basically is going which side basically. So one of the person told that in simple language, the India land basically has not helped Sunil R Nair. So one of the person basically who are into the peace side basically, they told that basically what is the solution basically of this basically. The BJP government not helped because when Sunil R Nair visited Mumbai, that time BJP was ruling the Mumbai city. And currently basically the Bhupender Patel basically, that is Chief Minister of Gujarat, is ruling the Vadodara city. So he also not helped Sunil Arnath. So world is going which side basically. The world is going to divert to which side. That basically one of the person basically told that basically world is going to move to which side basically. So one of the person told that from satellite, can we shift the world to the that direction? Basically, nobody will help the Earth planet only. Basically, can we do that? Sunil R. Nair basically. So Sunil R. Nair told that basically, if you want, you can shift basically because this see this world actually not helped Sunil R. Nair basically. Here basically see basically the political people who are supposed to help the Indian citizen basically, that are the BJP, Congress and Aam Aadmi Party and other parties basically, that is Akhilesh Yadav group basically. They also not helped Sunil Nair. Even basically also people say that Yogi Adityanath basically is a nice person. He also not helped Sunil Nair. So another person told that can we divert the world to that direction basically where only earthquake should happen? Then Sunil Nair told that basically if you want you can basically divert it because I am not getting the job basically from peace side basically. So one of the person told that, yeah, what is this ongoing basically? The person basically who knows everything basically he is not getting the job, he is not able to earn the money. The people basically who are just having the power basically they are into the money earning basically. Their father, their mother basically are in good post, but they don't know anything basically. But they are into the big level post of the software companies like CEO, vice presidents, directors. They basically have sometime basically they have big software companies also. So one of the person basically who are into the sales industry, they told that basically Sunil, basically this is the reason basically why you can't do the sales basically because sales is connected with the God basically and not a single God has helped you. So that salesperson basically told that basically this was the reason basically. So see basically the group who not helped you basically. Who basically not helped Sunil Nair. Even basically the Allah not helped Sunil Nair basically. Allah was supposed to help Sunil Nair basically. The Haji Ali Dargah was supposed to help Sunil Nair. The BJP government basically is that is the Devendra Fadnavis and the Sindhya so Sindhya basically which is that Prime Minister CM Sindhya basically was supposed to help Sunil Nair basically. Even basically the Shiv Sena and the Manase basically was supposed to help the Sunil Nair, but they also basically not helped Sunil Nair. And there are basically 100 floors building basically in Mumbai city basically. So one of the person told us, Sunil, can we divert the Earth planet to that direction basically where the Earth planet gets only earthquakes basically? Can we do that basically for you? So one of the person told that what actually the world is ongoing basically. World is going. Sorry, India is finishing the world basically. India land is finishing the world. That also one of the person basically told. India is this kind of country basically. Even basically the sports groups not helped Sunil Nair when basically Sunil Nair visited the Mumbai city. So one of the person told the world is going with side basically. World is going with side basically. So one of the person told that even basically the Siddhi Vinayak temple also not helped Sunil Nair basically. Even basically the Sri Ram group, Sri Hanuman group also not helped Sunil Nair. There basically they created the railway station also of Sri Ram and Sri Hanuman. So they also not helped Sunil Nair. So in next video basically we are going to see that what is the solution of this and how basically the money was collected of that cricket match basically in the previous video basically we saw basically. So how the money was collected. So that is the next topic which we are going to discuss and which we are going to talk here.